Number 5. JJ is 3 times old as Janjan. 3 years ago, JJ was 4 times as old as Janjan. The sum of their ages is blank. Let's clarify muna na the sentence, okay? Let's say na si JJ ay si X. Sulat natin, si JJ ay si X na muna natin siya. Then, is 3 times old as Janjan. Si Janjan, let's say si Janjan naman ay si Y. Si Y. Okay, to understand these situations, si JJ is 3 times. Sabi mas matanda daw si JJ kay Janjan ng 3 times. Therefore, sabi, si JJ, okay, si JJ ay si X, ay mas matanda ng 3 times kay Jan. Ito siya. Jan. Sabi, si JJ ay 3 times old daw kay Jan. Okay. Next. 3 years ago, JJ was 4 times as old as Janjan. Noong 3 years ago daw, okay, wait lang. Noong 3 years ago, si JJ, okay, let's say, JJ, noong 3 years ago, sabi, JJ was, so si JJ daw ay 4 times as old as Jan noong 3 years ago. To answer that, okay, sabi, X is equals to 4 times Y, 4Y. 4 times negative 3, since mas mataas, positive times negative is equals to negative. At ita-times natin si 4 at saka si 3, the answer will be 12. Okay. Therefore, ayusin na natin siya. Sama na natin si 4y at saka si x dahil meron silang x and y. Therefore, excuse me, x is equals to, transpose natin si 4y, magiging siyang negative 4y. Transpose natin siya, no? Para siya ay maging negative. Therefore, si 3 ay ibabalik natin sa kabila. I-transpose natin si 3 kabila. Therefore, maging negative 12. Then, plus, diba si 3 ay negative. Pag nilipat natin siya, magiging siyang positive. Therefore, plus 3. Okay. So, pagsamahin natin ayusin natin yung ating equations para mag-equal siya sa 0. Therefore, dito natin sulat. X, si X, 4y, gawin natin yellow. Si X at si 4y, itong si negative 12 at saka si plus 3 ay magiging negative at saka positive. Mas mataas si negative 12. Therefore, our sign is negative. Okay. Then, negative 12 plus 3 is equals to negative. So, ibig sabihin, minus natin si 12 at saka si 3. The answer will be 9. Is equals to 0. And then, our equations for today is this one. Ito yung gagamitin nating equation. Okay? Yan. Therefore, si x minus 4y is equals to 9. Nilipat natin si 9 doon para naging positive 9. For this will be x minus 9 is equals to 4y or 4y cancel si 4 is 4 matitira si y is equals to ito ang value ni x ay 1, so mangyayari is y is equals to 9 and also sabi ay the sum of their ages. So, ilang taon? Wait lang. X is equals to 3y. Therefore, x is equals to 3, 9 is equals to 27. So, 27 plus 9 is equals to 36.